Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. So let us see what is coming up, guys. Today we'll be picking cards from the Wisdom Oracle deck. One card for your general energies, one card for your career, and one card for your love energies, guys. So this is for your general energy. So these oracle cards will give you the required wisdom, guys, regarding your situation. So we'll open the cards as we proceed into the reading. So this is for your relationship, Taurus. I hope you can see the cards here. So for your daily energies, co-create. Taurus, with this card, the energy is that this is the time of great creativity for you. So in your work situation or in your relationship, you will find that inspiration that will guide you in your day-to-day activities. So you may not think of yourself as a creative person, but you are creating your actions based on your thoughts, based on your beliefs and intentions. So you need to understand that each and every one of us feel inspired to take up any activity in our life. So all of us are our actions flow from our thoughts. So whatever deep thoughts that we have in ourselves, so it is part of our our soul or universe or God, whatever you call it, that which is there inside us, that life force that is guiding us in each and every step of our day. So this card denotes that. So you need to connect with that inner force that you have. You need to connect with that inspiration and confidence to take up any activities, so it will lead you to that success. It will unlock your potential, guys. So whatever activities you take up, you do it with 100% confidence and inspiration, and the resulting efforts or your actions will also be 100%. And when you are putting in 100% efforts, the goals that you reach will also be up to your expectation. So you will manifest whatever you want to, if you connect yourself with that deep life force that you have. So the way to do it is to do any activity with inspiration. So whatever you feel drawn to. So maybe for some of you all, you don't know where to start and how to start. You may feel that the task ahead of you is overwhelming. So you need to feel that inspiration. You should think deeply within yourself and find that inspiration to take up anything that you want to do. So when you do that, when you find that inspiration, you will reach success in all the things that you do. So this card may relate to your personal life or your work situation, guys. So whatever you do it with inspiration. So what is this card? This is for your career, guys, Taurus. Not for you. For your work situation, Taurus, though you are putting in those efforts, we were seeing the previous card with inspiration. So this card, not for you. It just means though you do your work with inspiration, though you put in your efforts, when some things are denied, when you are not reaching your goals, or when you are not able to reach it after that hard work, so the results are eluding you, it just means that this is not for you, this is not meant for you, guys. So the universe has other plans for you, maybe something better than this, better than what you are expecting. So maybe this is not the time for it to manifest. That is the reason that is not coming towards you. So whatever you desire, only those things that are truly the best ones, which will guide you in your life's journey, that is going to come towards you, guys. That is the plan of the universe. So sometimes even rejection, denial is also God's protection or universe's protection for us, guys. So those things may not be necessary for us, we may not know, but we will be expecting that. But sometimes when we don't get that results, those goals manifesting, you have to trust that it is God's way of telling us that there are better things that will come towards you in a better time. So that is the energy here, guys. And in your work situation, maybe the projects you were planning to invest, or you did invest, so that may get suspended or delayed. You feel your efforts are being wasted. But sometimes we need to learn from this defeat, and we should keep going, do our work with that inspiration and confidence. So may not be this time, but our efforts, whatever we put in, will never go wasted. So it will manifest at the right time. So that is what this card means. So whatever is supposed to come towards you will always come towards you, guys. So that is the energy with this card. Let us see what is this card for your relationship, guys. Taurus, milk and honey. With this card, Taurus, this is a time that you share a great attraction and affection with this person. Maybe you are in connection with the person, and it is a really passionate romance. That is what I see here. You share sweet moments together, you benefit from each other's company, you have that mutual love and intimacy, great intimacy, guys. So whatever your thoughts and your feelings, it is all sweet and filled with gratitude, nourished just like the mix of milk and honey, how it tastes. So that is what your relationship is today, guys. So you are beginning to get what a true relationship will be if it were true to both of you all. So the way you feel about this person and the way they feel about you. So when you connect at a deeper level, when you have that love and affection, caring and respect in a relationship, this is what it will be like. So you're seeing you are getting the first taste of such a beautiful connection, that deep connection, guys. So it is time for you to treasure these happy moments. So if you are in a deep bond with this person, and if you want to take it forward, maybe this is the time to do so. But you need to be aware that this connection should be not superficial, not on the physical level. This connection should have that depth. You should have that clear understanding about this person. So this relationship should not be fleeting. It should be based on the deep connection, on deep truth about each other. So you have to seek that truth in this relationship, guys. So when you do that, and if you are able to connect at a deeper level, you will not regret. You will feel love and compassion for this person and for yourself. and that is all that matters in this relationship, guys. So you need to go for that understanding, that deep understanding, guys. Maybe if you are in a superficial connection, maybe you are attracted to the way they are, you should see their true character, then take this relationship forward. So that is the oracle's message for you all, guys, regarding your general energy, your career and relationship. Thank you for watching this video, Taurus. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye, Taurus.